guys, this is my earth task 14.3. In this task we have to create a playbook which will automatically fetch the name of our operating system like Red Hat Ubuntu. This is the OS distribution name, so we don't have to use the when keyword, otherwise it would be very easy, but we have to use some other approach. So I have a playbook. That approach is like this, including vars module. So this module will fetch the type of distribution, and the value will be stored in this variable Ansible OS family. So what we have to do is like a similar name of file will be there and some variables will be there. We will see the files in which some values of the packages and the services will be there. So we have to install the package and start the service. So like for Red Hat we have a package called httpd for web server, but in Ubuntu we have the package called Apache 2. So both have different names. So for this we have to do this, we have to write this playbook. So this is the only logic we have to use. The other things are almost same. Like I'm printing which package is this and which service we will be started. So I'm installing the package using this module and starting the service using this module. So this is the file. So we can see like Ansible config file also. So this is my configuration file. In this just I have specified the inventory file. So inventory. So this is my manage node which has Red Hat distribution, we will see. And these two are the files. Let's see. So this is the Apache server httpd and this is the svc package. And this is the file where I've written Apache 2. The package name is Apache 2. So let's run the playbook. Let's see if our machine is working. It has been working, ping pong, and so everything has been installed. Like packages httpd. For Red Hat it is the httpd software and the service is httpd service, and everything is installed. We can see by going in the VM system ctl status httpd. So our web server is running. So this was the task we have to do. So thank you.